welcome back to my channel. So today guys, I'm going to be doing my skincare ASMR. So first I'm using this. Sorry guys, it's just my sister. Hi. 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 Now guys, I use and I do my eyebrows with this and this. And then I do my eyebrows and then I put it on my eyelashes.
Yeah, please go. Hello, guys.
Hello.
You don't greet me.
I did
Yeah.
greet you
You don't
earlier.
lie.
I said hello, Pa. Sorry guys about that. People just can't leave me alone. Every little fun is my sister. I'm gonna put it on your eyebrows now. And let's stay in love it, guys. Bye.